Judge presiding over the trial of the first Baltimore police officer charged in Freddie Gray's death will meet privately tomorrow with prosecutors and defense attorneys to talk about dates for a possible retrial. This comes after the judge declared a mistrial because of a hung jury. Jurors could not reach a decision after 3 days of deliberations in the manslaughter trial of William Porter. Porter is the first of 6 officers to stand trial on charges stemming from Gray's arrest and death. Gray died after sustaining a neck injury while in police custody back in April. Channel 4's Heather Leigh spoke with a local lawyer about the jury's decision, and she's joining us live. Heather, what could this mean for the other 5 officers?
Well, Mary, it's still up in the air right now, but that lawyer I spoke with says that this could be beneficial for the other 5 officers involved, and she says it also could mean that there are several weaknesses in the state attorney's case.
The death of Freddie Gray sparked outrage earlier this year. Tonight, a much different scene, peaceful protesting.
We ask the public to remain calm and patient because we are confident there will be another trial with a different jury. We are calm. You should be calm.
News4Jack's crime and safety analyst Gil Smith says he isn't surprised by the hung jury.
It's a little bit more difficult when you're dealing with police officers because you really have to show some type of intent that he intentionally neglected him. And I guess they just could not come to that decision.
According to the Baltimore police, 25-year-old William Porter did not buckle Gray in during the ride in the police van after being arrested. Cell phone videos show Gray getting into the van. When being taken out, police say he could not talk or breathe. Rhonda Peoples-Waters, a local attorney not affiliated with the case, says it's hard to really know what went on inside the van.
I don't know how much more evidence they could gather to determine whether or not this officer should have buckled Freddie Gray in and whether or not Freddie Gray's death resulted from that officer's failure to buckle him in. There's not a whole bunch of evidence about that issue.
Peoples-Waters says although there is a chance this could be good for the other officers, it's important to remember they seem to be more involved, and the state attorney's office could have more evidence on them to help get a conviction.
Now, Peoples-Waters says if the state chooses not to retry Porter, he most likely will not face any other criminal charges in this case. For now, we're live. Heather Leigh, Channel 4, the local station.